It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor.
Please! Please! No!
Won't you come along with me? Oh yeah. Oh no. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What's good, everybody? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, if you're having problems with your Nissan Armada or Titan being able to shift into gear, your boy gonna give you the salt.
And God is faithful, man.
I'm gonna give you the secret of what's going on, even though it's not that hard. I know some people, they don't know everything about cars. I don't either.
Accurate.
But I got the secret sauce for you guys, man. If that's what you want to see, keep your butt in that seat and watch what I got for you. Part right here that was $30-something on Amazon. This is an actual bushing that goes actually with
Perfect.
the gear shift, where the gear shift linkage is. I can't even talk.
Don't do drugs.
But you know, the cord that attaches to the transmission, that's the bushing that you need to replace more than likely. Also, I'm going to show you another area underneath the car that you need to check also actually on the transmission. But let's go ahead in the car and I'm going to show you exactly how to get to it. It's real easy. Come on with your boy. Let's go. All right, guys. Thank you for, oh my gosh, y'all can't really see me, can you? But yeah, y'all need to be focused right here, because this is where the problem is going to resolve. You smart. Reside. This is where the problem is, right here. First thing you want to do, you want to put it in the accessory mode. Get your gear shift and pull it back just a little bit, because what we're going to do, we're going to remove this tray right here. I don't know, can you guys see it? I'm going to move y'all down just a little bit. Y'all be patient. Be patient. Be patient. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, I've already popped it off some. It's pretty easy. Just be careful. And don't forget to take off the knob first. Like a dummy, like me. You just twist this off, take the knob off. What you do, just gently pull it up because it's brittle and old. And you push it to the side. And I want you to come over here, because I'm going to show you exactly what's going on. Come on this way. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared now. Don't be scared. This is where the problem is. You see the gear shift linkage? It is not on this little nipple. Right here. This is where, let's see if I can get it out the way. This linkage is supposed to be on this nipple right there, and it's a plastic bushing that's supposed to go right there, and it has broken off to keep this on here. So if you're having that problem, first look at this, because this is one of the main culprits when it comes to the Armadas and the Titans. And that little piece over there is what we need to press onto here. And we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Let me get it, and then I'll show you how to get it on. All right, guys, hopefully you guys can somewhat see. I don't have a cameraman, but as you can see, this is the actual cable, the shift cable, and this is the actual pin that you need to grease and put the actual cable on. And if you need to move it, you don't have to have the key in. You can just press this little release right here. You can pull it back where you need to be to get it back on the cable. But the instructions are very simple. As y'all can see, pretty much it's only 3 actual steps to this process. So I say save your money. Don't take it to the dealership. If you're having a problem, please, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description to this actual product. It's pretty cheap for you doing it by yourself, $30-some instead of taking it to the dealership. But first, you know, you need to press in the notched end into the cable, which is this side right here. You push it into the cable this way, then they give you this tool to kind of press it in there and try to, you know, finagle it the best way you can. We're gonna see how this works, because yeah, I don't foreseeing it being too hard, but you never know. You never know. You never know. And it looked like it may give me some,
because it wasn't clear who was at fault.
resistance.
Shouldn't have to grow up and choose over is racing if it matters in a system that we built a space for everybody, but some are missing that.
6.5 hours later.
Get your monkey butt in there. Oh shoot, I had it too. Dang it! Now we are back after 1,000 years of cussing and acting a fool. But what I ended up doing was I took this clip out of the base of the shifter just so I can get more room. And what I did, I got the actual tool that it came with, and you know, some pliers and
What did you say?
pliers and
What the?
kind of, you know, squeezed it in. It's not that hard after that. Then now what we'll have to do, I guess we're gonna have to grease this this nipple up.
Hey yo!
You know, put a little grease on that mud. Sure, we might well put the whole thing on there. Right? Right? Alright. Then now all we gotta do is slip it back on. Easier said than done, right?
A few.
Alright. Now we are slipped on. It looks like a little bit of the bushing came out.
You killing me, man!
Alright guys, and we have success. As you can see. Oh, it works perfectly. Hey, there's one more place that you need to check just in case if that did not work, because actually on this truck, both of these 2 points that I'm going to show you were messed up. This one right here is the one that really had it to the point where we couldn't move the truck. But I'm gonna show you one more under the truck. I'm gonna jack it up and I'm gonna show you exactly where it's at. Come on with your boy. All right, come to the down under with me, mate.
You're fired. Get out of here.
Oh Lord have mercy. I don't know what I be talking about. But we finna get under this truck. Make sure you have jack stands and a jack, because you're gonna be under the vehicle. And let me see if I can show you exactly where we need to be. Exactly. This is on the passenger side, right there. This bolt is actually known for coming loose off of the shifter cable. So if up top that bushing is still good, come under here, which is on the passenger side of the transmission. The transmission is the flat black pan under here. There's no room under here for me to show you. But pretty much, I found another bolt to put on here. And yeah, that solved that problem. So I put Loctite on it. I seen somebody drill it out and put a cotter pin in it. But I just use Loctite. But I'm finna get man. Oh my Lord. Well, all right, guys, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and do a little quick video for you guys. This is for the Armada and Titan guys. You know, if you have a problem where you can't shift into gear, like we had here, first I say check the bushing inside of the car underneath the actual little beauty panels inside the truck where the shifter is. Check that first. And then next, go underneath the truck and look at the shift linkage on the actual transmission. And that's it, man. Just that simple, man. I was kind of scared. I was hoping it wasn't a transmission, but I was able to put it in and out of gears. I didn't do it on video just because, you know, y'all don't want to hear this big loud truck, man, just moving. Just believe me, I did it, man. I did it. Just believe me. But thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that like button, you know, and if you're new, just make sure you subscribe, man, because we always bring bangers on this channel, man. This is TNT Garage, where we collide with comedy and cars. So if you like that, man, you know, I do things a little different. I don't do things the same traditional way, but you know, if you like that, please subscribe. If you don't, dislike it, man, because I really don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a soft-hearted guy, but you know, if you do like it, hit that like button. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. I know I talk too much. It's supposed to be a quick video, so I'll see y'all later. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych!